People have this idea of a dream lifestyle, a dream life, but if you ask them further than what it is, they have no idea how to explain it. If you think about it, right, life's like almost like a GPS, right? The GPS, it says current location, boom, and now you want to move to a better place. You have to know in detail that better place, because now let's say for me, my my better place or my dream life is, let's say, LA, right? Me knowing the destination, I would know how to get there. Is I would either need a plane ticket, or whatever, train, by a submarine. But let's say for you, your dream lifestyle is like Botswana or some, so you can go by car. You have to know the end goal word for word, so you know how to get there and to like actually make goals that move you to that place, to move with intention. Some people think they need to be a millionaire to afford a dream life. I mean, for me, a dream life of having a house in a very um, a well-off estate. I want to live in a well-off estate because I feel like the people I'll be surrounding myself and my children and my future family with is just high-level thinking people. That's why I would want to live in a high estate. So yeah, places like a high estate, nice car, nice watch. For me now, people think I need to have millions, but I realized after doing the calculations and the exercise that I'm about to show you, having a lifestyle like this just cost 400,000 Namibian dollars, which isn't a lot, and it will cost me about 10,000, about 8,000, 10,000 Namibian dollars per month to afford all these. So I just need to be making a minimum of 10,000 per month, and I just need 400,000 to acquire my dream life, and I'm happy. Like, so the exercise to you is get some peace and quiet, and take some time to yourself, lie down and just think, where do I want to live? Like, future, like where it will make me happy. It's about you being happy, right? You know, what car do I want to be driving? If you like watches like me, like where, what watch do you want to wear? Um, what clothes you want to wear? Just like get the more detail you add, I'm telling you, the faster you'll reach that destination. Sometimes you'll write it in your journal, and then you wake up, all of a sudden you're living your dream life, but just on a much smaller scale. So yeah, think about it. Think about where you want to live, what car you want to drive, what clothes you want to wear, where you want to travel, and all of that. Boom. If it's a house, you only have to put 20% down, 20% down payment of the house, if I'm not mistaken. And with a vehicle as well, with your normal banks, you also just need 20% down to acquire the vehicle. If it's traveling, there's many like traveling agencies where you can have cards with them, where you just deposit on the cards and then you can like travel from place to place and shit like that. So let's just do the calculations, my nigga. So let's just say, right, you want to live in Kleiner Cooper, right? The average houses are this amount you're gonna put there, and then you only need to put 20% of that. Boom. And then let's say your dream car is this, and then you only need to put 20% of that. Boom. Right? And then let's just put something fun in there, like you want to get your haircut, like bro, twice a week. Boom. And then this is how much you need to basically minimum to live that dream life. This is how much you need to acquire that dream life. So it's a very fun exercise. I think you should try it. And then once you get that, that's now your bigger goal. That's like your life mission, almost. We'll talk about life missions in later videos. But yeah, but now you can get to a much smaller scale of what's more achievable in the right now. Because remember, small wins compound and small wins make confidence. So you can just bring that on a smaller scale. You see where you are, and then what's the next big leap from where you are to where you wanna go, and then you just think of that lifestyle. Okay, I'm how many years old right now? In 2 years, how would I want my life to be? Okay, I wanna be maybe be driving and so on. And once you get all those lists, how much your next big leap would cost, then you could work out and like start businesses and just start investing in a way that will lead you to that goal. And then you could live your dream life. That's the blueprint for it, and that's what I'm doing. That's how I've achieved the things I've achieved, and that's how I'm gonna continue achieving the things I'm gonna achieve. My next big goal, it's almost certain I'm gonna reach it, not just because I believe in myself, but the steps I already took. Because if it's 10,000 per month that I need to be making, I already make not I already make certain amounts from one of my businesses, which is my personal trading account, and then I invested in myself by buying a prop firm, which was around 14 US dollars. I bought a $2,500 account with Equity Edge, and if I make certain percentages on that, that will bring me closer to my big steps, to my dream goal. So basically, and my investment portfolio with Easy Equities, with I think it's 10% I make a year, I'm almost certain to reach that dream goal. It's just a matter of time. If you guys want more videos on how to start a business as a teenager, to invest as a teenager, and all that good stuff, you know what I mean? I got you. So just let me know in the comments. And yeah, if you enjoyed the video, make sure you subscribe. You know what I'm saying? It could really help a nigga out. And yeah, subscribe, like the video, share with others, share with your your girlfriend, your boyfriend. You know what I'm saying? So y'all can both make goals that will lead y'all to y'all dream life. You know what I'm saying? Move with intention. Yeah, my boy.